Hello students, today we are going to study the chapter Lists and Tables in HTML5. List और tables क्या होती हैं HTML5 में? So first of all, we will study about the list. What is a list? So list is just a collection of items. ठीक है, कोई भी collection of items है वो list कहलाएगी. Suppose we are going to market and we just maintain a list. So 1 2 3 4 जो भी items होंगे वो list कहलाएगी. So it is of two types, unordered list and ordered list. Two types की होती है, एक तो unordered list और एक ordered list. The list which has no numbering is known as the unordered list. यानी कि इसके एलिमेंट्स जो होंगे उसमें कोई नंबरिंग नहीं होगी. First, second, 1 2 3 4 four elements are there in this list, and on the other hand we have the ordered list which contains the elements by numbers. ये फर्स्ट, ये सेकंड, ये थर्ड और ये फोर्थ. तो जिस लिस्ट में नंबरिंग होगी वो कहलाएगी ordered list, and the list which does not have any numbering will be considered or called as unordered list. So we will learn how to create a list in HTML5. So सबसे पहले अब हम unordered list बनाएंगे, उसके बाद हम ordered list बनाएंगे. So let's start with the unordered list. Here first of all we will enter these four items in the unordered list. So let's, here we have a program of HTML, and now we will start with the making the list in the body tag. So an unordered list start with the tag ul tag क्यों यूज किया? ul stands for unordered list. अब उसके बाद हम फर्स्ट आइटम एंटर करेंगे. So this is the first item. li stands for list item. तो फर्स्ट आइटम क्या था लिस्ट का? फुटबॉल. एंड वी हैव टू क्लोज द टैग ऑफ लिस्ट आइटम li. तो ये फर्स्ट आइटम जो ये फुटबॉल हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है, दिस आइटम इज बीइंग क्रिएटेड हेयर. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू क्रिएट द सेकंड आइटम which is the cricket, then basketball. Just like that we have to create the cricket, and after that and close the tag li, and the last item of the list is chess, and we have to close the li tag. So this is how we are going to create the ul. Now the ul has been formed by these 3-4 lines. Now we will save the file, and we have to save the file with extension .html. Then we have to run by using Google Chrome. So this is the output of our web page. It contains an unordered list which has 4 elements: football, cricket, basketball and chess. तो ये एक unordered list बनी है जिसके अंदर 4 elements हैं. Now we will create the ordered list. Ordered list में हम 4 items add करेंगे. So here just start with the ordered list. Just like that it will be created by writing the ol tag, and then we have to enter the list items. So first item is Jaipur. You have to write and close the list item tag. Similarly you have to do all the items. You have to add all the items. After adding all the items you have to close the ol tag. Here we have added 4 items as before. we have done in the unordered list. So let's check what will be the output of this. So we have to reload the page, and you can see here the output is in the form of ordered list with the numbering 1 2 3 4. So this is the unordered list and this is the ordered list. We can change the bullets here. In unordered list we have three options. We can use the disk, we can use the circle, and we can use the squares also. In a ordered list and unordered list we can use these different options for setting the bullets. So this is the circle, this is the disk, and this is a square. And similarly in ordered list we can use the 1 2 3 4 5 and A B C D E also, and capital A also, and the Roman number for numbering. The Roman number can be small and large. So these are the five options in ordered list, and here we have these three options to be used in the unordered list. So how we can change? We can use the attribute. Suppose we want to change it into square, the thing which we have done. What we have to do? We have to use the attribute square here, the attribute type here. Now we can write square, and then we can save and check the thing. So you can see here these circles will, this disk will change into squares. So these have been changed into squares. So here if we want to change the numbering 1 2 3 4 to the number A B C D, what we have to do? We have to use the attribute here type in the OL ordered list, and the value of type will be equal to A. So it will change the numbering from 1 2 3 4 to A B C D. We can see here. So here the numbering has been changed to A B C D. We can also use the Roman numbers. Just we have to give the type Roman number 1. So here it will change into, this numbering will change into the Roman numbers. Here you can see. So this is how we are going to use different types of bullets and different numbering in this ordered and unordered list. Now one more attribute is the start attribute. We have to use the start attribute in the list 50. Suppose we want that the list should not start with 1 2 3 4. लिस्ट 1 2 3 4 से स्टार्ट ना होके स्टार्ट 50 से होए, 51 52 and 53. So these thing can be started with the start attribute. हमको start attribute लिखना है and we have to give the value of the starting point. So in this list we can also do by using the attribute start. Here we can use the value 1 and we can use the attribute start. So what we have to do? We have to write start and equal to 50. So the list will start with the number 50. Here you can see we have to reload, and here the list is starting with the 50 number. So this is the use of start attribute. One more attribute is the reverse attribute. Suppose a list has numbering 1 2 3 4 and we want that the number should come in the reverse order, means 4 3 2 1. So we have to use the reverse attribute with the type, or you can simply use the reversed attribute. And in here we have to write the attribute reverse, and after that just save the file. we can check this 1 2 3 4 counting will appear in the reverse order. So this is how we are going to use the reverse attribute. We can add here after the in the OL tag. So this is how we can make different list. We can make the unordered list also, and we can make the ordered list also. So we will study more things in the next video.